If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer not working on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, then Internet, and select Test Connection to verify that your connection is stable. Step 2. Update software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch and the game you are trying to play are updated to the latest version. Go to System Settings, then System, and select System Update to check for any available updates. Step 3. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Hold down the power button until the power options appear, then select Restart to reboot your Nintendo Switch. Step 4. Check friend lists. Confirm that your friends are online and available to play. Open the Nintendo Switch Online app or check the friends list in the game to see their status. Step 5. Adjust NAT settings. If you're still having issues, check your NAT type. Go to System Settings, then Internet, and select Internet Settings. A NAT type of ORB is ideal for multiplayer gaming. If your NAT type is COD, consider adjusting your router settings or contacting your internet service provider. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve multiplayer issues on your Nintendo Switch. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.